Hi guys, welcome back. Here are the 5 creative text animations that you can try making in After Effects so that you can put these text as part of your motion graphic works. Let's say we have a text here. Let's animate the text in 5 different ways. First, it's the animation where the letters are going upwards to form this text. Go under the text layer and then click on animate, click on position. That will allow the letters to go upwards. Place the text so that it lies underneath the text when it's fully revealed at the end, and then go under range, select the one, turn on the stopwatch. Let's say if you want the text to be fully revealed at 3 seconds, go to 3 seconds and then increase the starting amount to 100%, just like this, and then the letters are going upwards one by one. And then let's say if you want each letter to be initially disappearing and then it will be appearing, so go to animate, click on it, and then click on opacity, and then drag the opacity level down to 0%, and then select the ending keyframe to smoothen the letter movement. Right click, assistant, easy ease, right click, velocity, set the influence to 75%, and turn on the motion blur so that there's this blurry effects as the letters are going upwards. You're done creating this first text animation. Pretty fancy, eh? Let's move to the second one. Secondly, it's the animation where each letter will grow one by one. Go under the text layer, click on animate, click on scale, which will allow the letters to grow. And then set the grouping alignment so that it appears and grows from the bottom left. And then all you do is to change the scale to 0%. And then let's say if you want the text to be fully revealed at 3 seconds, go under range, select the one, turn on the stopwatch for start, and then at 3 seconds, change the starting amount, increase it to 100% so that each letter will grow one by one. Select the ending keyframe, right click assistant, easy ease, right click velocity, set the influence to 75% so that the growing animation is smoother. And then you can even turn on the motion blur so that there's this motion blur kind of effects on the edges of the letters. You're done creating the second text animation. Let's move on to the third. The third one will be the animation with a text with moving letters, and then it's followed by an outline version of the text with moving letters as well, with the same motion. To do this, follow the steps for the first text animation. After you've done creating this, go under the text layer and then head over to transform. It is revealed at 3 seconds, so make a keyframe for position by turning on the stopwatch for position so that this lowercase letter t will start appearing from this position, and then the whole text is going to be dragged to the left. So at 0 second, change the horizontal position to 1860, just like this, and then select them all, right click, and then assistant, easy ease so that the movement is smoother. For the ending one, right click, velocity, set the influence to 100. Now as you can see, each letter is going upwards, and then once it's revealed, the text is dragged to the left. Let's create the outline version. Copy and paste this, make this one disappear, and then for this one, click on this so that the fill color disappears. And then you simply just increase the outline thickness by dragging this one. Alright, 4 points, 4 pixels is enough. And then let's say if you want this outline version to appear like half a second after the text with fill color appears. So drag this one like half a second after the text with fill color. Look at that, it's pretty fancy. The outline version of the text makes the text with fill 3D. Well, we can add some blur effects by going under text and then head over to animator 1 and then click on the arrowhead, head over to property and then click on blur. And then you can change the blur amount to 100. Same goes here. Animator, click on the arrowhead, property, blur, and then increase the blur amount to 100. And then it will turn into this blurry goodness. Fancy. Let's move on to the fourth one. The fourth one will be the animation with blurred letters. It will be blurry at first, but it will be sharp later. So to do this, go under the text layer, click on the arrowhead for animate, and then click on opacity. This will make the text disappear at first. Drop it down to 0% and then go under range selector. You want the text to be revealed at 3 seconds. Turn on the stopwatch for start and then go to 3 seconds and then increase the starting amount to 100% and then click on the arrowhead next to add to make it blurry. Head over to property, click on blur. Change the blur amount to 100. You're done. And then select the ending keyframe. Right click assistant easy ease, right click velocity, set the influence to 75 so that the showing up process, it's smoother. So you're done. Ooh, fancy. Looks blurry at first, but it's now sharp and this text is revealed. Let's head over to the fifth and the last animation method. The fifth and the last animation will be the animation with the letters which are pulled backwards, and then it will be blurred at first and then it will be sharp, and then there will be this zooming out kind of effect. To do this, follow the steps for the fourth text animation, which is the last text animation that we did, and then afterwards, and then click on the arrowhead for animate, click on enable per character 3D so that you can move the letters to the front, and then click on the arrowhead again and then click on position. Afterwards you move the text forward by putting a minus value, for example 1200, so that it appears from this position. This is the Z value. So afterwards you simply go under range selector 1 and then you click on the stopwatch for start, and then the text reveal will happen at 3 seconds. Change it to 100% just like this, and then right click assistant easy ease, right click velocity, set the influence to 100, and then all you do is to go under more options, and then you go under advanced, and then all you do is to turn on the randomize order and then change the value to this, for example. And last but not the least, increase the ease low amount to 100% so that the text movement while it's being dragged to the back is smooth. And then you're done creating the fifth and the last text animation in After Effects. Looking fancy. It now looks 3D. So you can create one of these 5 animation methods so that you can add some typography elements into your motion graphic works. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.